What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a particular cream, which is what I'm mixing now, that you're going to be using on your tummy, and it's going to get rid of all of the belly fat. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and also thumbs up. All right, let's get into the video. Alright, to remove belly fat, we're going to be using rice, and well, for this we're going to be blending the rice, okay, to give us a rice powder. Now the essence of using rice in this is so when we use other natural remedy, it's just going to calm down the effect on the skin. Alright guys, so since I have already prepared and blended rice powder, I'm gonna be using that. So you're just gonna be using your rice powder, all right, for this. Now I'm going to be taking in 1 teaspoon of the rice powder. Okay, for you to get rice powder you have to go blend the normal rice, because I get that question a whole lot. This is for the people who want to know. You blend this in a blender dry, and then it turns to rice powder. And then we're going to be needing a Boniki balm. Now if you can't get hold of a Boniki balm where you are, you can use vapor rub. Okay, a Boniki balm and vapor rub kind of do the same job. It kind of hits the fat cells on the skin, like beneath the skin, you know, to shrink it, remove the fat, and it also helps to dissolve the fat. Okay, so when you use it you're gonna sweat a whole lot. And alright, so for the aboniki I'm gonna be scooping in a good quantity of that, okay, because we have rice and aloe vera to reduce the hotness. And then we're going to be making use of toothpaste like Colgate, all right. And yeah, this is going to help a whole lot in making this procedure work really well. Then a little bit of paste into that. It's going to be wonderful. And then we're going to be putting in aloe vera. Now aloe vera is going to be very helpful for this because it's great for the skin though, so it's not going to make the aboniki too harsh on your skin. Okay, so it's going to help also to reduce the hotness, but it's still going to work really fine. So that's why we are going to be needing aboniki, aloe vera in this remedy. And now we're just gonna be adding in the aloe vera. Okay, so we're gonna be adding in half tablespoon. That is gonna be okay. Now we'll just stir the ingredients together. Okay, so it can give us a really nice paste. Alright, so after mixing it very well, then you're going to be applying. Okay, so I'm going to be using a spoon to apply this. So what you do is to apply this onto your belly, okay, like that. Apply everywhere. It's going to be hot, like it's going to hot your, like it's going to be very hot on your skin. If you can't find aboniki, you can use vapor rub for this. Okay, After you've rubbed and applied it generously very well, just like that, then you'll be needing a clipping nylon. This nylon they use in covering plates, something you should know what it is, and then you would wrap it all up. Okay, so the essence of wrapping is so to maintain the heat and on your stomach, and to make the heat well concentrated on your stomach area. Okay, so you have to wrap it really tight. All right guys, so after you're done wrapping this, you're gonna really feel the heat on your stomach, just like the way I'm feeling it right now on my hands. Now anywhere you want to reduce fats and shrink your fat cells, you can use this on that place. It's just going to help to shrink the fat cells on that place. It's really hot. And then you can, if you have a waist trainer, you can follow suit with it. Use a waist trainer and tight it very well, and you go with it. You can stay with it because it's not gonna irritate your skin because of the aloe vera and the rice powder. Okay, it's not going to irritate your skin at all. So after that is done, you can actually repeat this treatment like every day. If you want to do exercise, you use it for exercise. All right, so after that, then you can just lose the clipping. Okay, you notice that you're gonna sweat really well, and you can wash it off. Okay,